Welcome to The True Lesson. Hey friends, let's solve question number 6 from exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Let's see the question first. What is the question? If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A equals to angle B. A and B are acute angles. Cos A and cos B are equal and we have to prove angle A equals to angle B. Let's write it. What is given? Cos A equals to cos B. And which relation we have to prove? Angle A equals to angle B. One more thing given in the question is angle A and angle B are acute angles. So, to solve this, let's draw the triangle first. Right triangle for trigonometric ratios. In our question they are giving A and B are acute angles. So, A here and B here, correct? We are taking right angle at vertex C according to our question. Now, if we are taking angle A, side opposite to angle A means BC will be a perpendicular. And side adjacent to angle A means AC will be a base. And side opposite to right angle means AB is always hypotenuse. Correct? So, we are drawing two triangles, cos A, same triangles, but to write the relation cos A and cos B, we are just drawing it two times, same triangle but two times, right angle at point C. In this, we will decide cos B. Okay. To decide the trigonometric ratios, first draw a small table. Come on. What is the table? PBP and HHP. Correct? First one is for sine, second one is for cos, and third one is for tan. In our question, we'll use cos only. Okay. Cos is based upon hypotenuse. Let's decide cos A first. If we are taking A, BC is a perpendicular, AC is a base, AB is a hypotenuse. If we are taking angle B, then side opposite to angle B means AC is a perpendicular, side adjacent to angle B means BC is a base, and side opposite to right angle is a hypotenuse. Okay, now let's write the ratios. For cos A, what is cos? Base upon hypotenuse, no? Base upon hypotenuse. So, base is a AC and hypotenuse is AB. In the same triangle, cos B is base upon hypotenuse. So, BC upon AB. Clear, no? In first case, we are writing cos A base upon hypotenuse means AC upon AB. And for cos B, BC upon AB. Now, according to question, what is given? Cos A equals to cos B. So, write cos A equals to cos B. Write the values of cos A. Cos A is ratio of AC upon AB equals to cos B, BC upon AB. Okay. Now, since we can see AB in LHS and RHS both the sides, so we can cancel AB. We'll get AC equals to BC. Correct? Now, in our triangle A, B, C, if AC and BC are equal, which relation we get? AC and BC are equal. So, we know a theorem in geometry very well that if two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. If in a triangle, any triangle, not only right angle, If in any triangle two sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. So in our triangle ACB, if we are getting AC equals to BC, then angle opposites to these sides are also equal. Angle opposite to AC is angle B. And angle opposite to BC is angle A. In this way, we can easily prove that angle A equals to angle B. Got it, no? First of all, what we have to write? Cos A and cos B in our triangle. Guys, if you want to draw the triangle only once, you can take it. Only to explain it clearly, I draw it 2 times. Okay, you just draw it once and decide cos A and cos B. When we are taking cos A and cos B equal according to question, AB and AB get cancelled, AC equals to BC. And the theorem we are going to use here is angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. That's why angle A equals to angle B. These are proper notes, guys. You can directly write as a fair note. And in exam, you can also use this pattern. You'll get full marks. Okay? In our next lecture, we will solve next questions. Till then, just revise it. And in case of any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you. For more such videos, just subscribe our channel, The Truth Lesson. Comment us, and for further notification, just hit the bell icon.